First time to Imbes na driver seat, naging passenger seat yung channel. Oh, it has seat massage.
Open all of that full back.
The only other car I can recall na same price nito and also has massage chairs is yung Geely EX5. Not the plug-in, yung EV din.
The BEV, yeah.
Pero grabe, it's sub 2 million. We got cars that massage your back now.
True.
Unbelievable. Ano to, chassis power? Oh, yung mga ano lang. Steering wheel, you can put it in sport. Kaso the car switched off pa.
Oo nga, ba't ayaw?
The car's powered off, nakapark ka pa eh.
But there's the auto hold. So it's here din.
Ayun,
Naka-auto hold na siya.
steep slope descent.
You know, I don't put it to sport.
Why not?
Ever. It's too responsive for me.
No, that's the steering feel.
No, the brakes.
Braking.
Lagi standard ako, every EV or HEV. For me lang
Paano responsive? So like, konti lang tapak mo, then
Yes.
it's just gonna drop the
Para
anchor.
siyang sport brakes.
Oh.
Ganun siya.
Applies to every car, not just this.
Kaya try mo muna, since you're driving, try the comfort one first.
Hell no. I want the heaviest one.
Lighting, intelligent high beam, headlight adjust. Oh, it's this kind of car. Wait a second, 1.7 million and you get a fridge.
Yes.
Fred, did you know about this?
Yes.
May fridge.
You have a fridge.
Red.
Yes, sporty. Okay, testing the Ion V wasn't really in my list for this event, but I ended up testing this just because Mr. Scuderia asked me to. Sabi niya maganda raw eh.
It's
So,
the most popular car here. You have to try it.
sige, let's see how good it is. Tsaka I was shocked with the price. I thought this car was like, what, 2 million or something eh. Pero yung pala, it's just
That.
1.7. Sabi natin
Top of the
1.7.
line already.
Top of the line na yun. And you get massage chairs. This car competes with Atto 3 and EX5.
BEV.
Oo, yun. Both of them.
Nearly
let's-
same price point too.
Exactly. Oh, okay. I like this infotainment niya. There's like a quick drawer for drive mode. Hindi mo pala kailangan yan yung drive modes eh, oh. Andito na.
Oh my god.
You were fiddling around kanina while you were driving and doon lang pala.
Lang yung ayoko with modern cars.
Oh yeah. Yung sa folding ng ano, ng
Yeah.
mirrors.
But at least the aircon's manual.
So, I'm okay.
Yeah. Mahirap yung ano eh, yung nandito rin sa screen. Okay, let's go. So right now we're in comfort mode sa drive modes. That's the thing talaga with GAC, their cars are so ano eh. They're not exactly sporty per se, like this, kaya ano eh, I was with you on the tested GS8 kanina, they feel so relaxing. Like, di ba pag ano, pag EVs, usually,
Speaking of.
oh yun, that car. Usually for EVs or hybrids, di ba, instant torque and stuff.
Yes.
This uses its EV stuff for smoothness eh.
Completely the other way around.
Tsaka I take it back what I say with Chinese cars na having the usual soft steering na disconnected This actually has good decent weight eh. Wait, did you switch this ba kanina to sport?
I left it in sport the whole time.
Okay, on sport steering actually okay no. Magaan siya but not too much that it feels disconnected. There's still some heft to it. Sure, it's not as heavy as the Teslas but okay na to. Kaysa naman talaga na your steering feel feels like a Logitech steering wheel with no with no power. Sim racers would get that. Yeah, while we're stopped here, ano ba pwede kalikutin dito? Ambient lighting. Yun, yung seat massages from kanina. So yung off dito pala is close.
Yes.
Yung display dito sa center, is it configurable?
Sir?
Well, I think yes. Configurable siya.
The media controls is in the left. Ito, I don't know what this is. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Can close yung sa tire pressures. I don't know. It's just gonna keep on starting maps.
Take note, this is actually one of the early batches, so maybe there was an update for that now.
Baka pre-production pa, no?
Yes. I believe this is the same unit to when this was launched at EV Summit. The same exact car.
I think this really is a pre-production. Kasi tinan mo yung icon ng sasakyan dito, it still has the LiDAR.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try sport brakes. See how it feels. Ano kaya tong lock? Oh, door,
Oh my god.
door locks.
Oh, and two.
Hotkey para sa 360 cam.
Mm-hmm.
You get 3D view. What's wide angle? Nice. AC controls. Not tong vent. What just
No
happened?
AC. Just the fan. Probably.
Yeah, let's just leave it in auto na nga lang.
Ay, tama oh. Nawala yung AC icon if you put it to vent.
Ah! Ang tagal ng stoplight dito, we can literally study this entire thing.
That's the advantage I have always in test drive festivals. So the video's a bit longer.
Ano mangyayari kapag pinindot ko to? Ah! Yung ano? It's the research, calm down.
Yeah. Please.
Bro, just stop there in the blind spot.
Nothing new.
Gotta love driving here. Pati yung region niya, it's smooth.
Diba?
It doesn't abruptly slow down na talagang maramdaman susub-sub ka. This one's on medium na kanina, no?
Yes. That's the highest setting. Even though weirdly it just says medium.
See, doon pumapasok yung point ko that GACs make their cars so relaxing to drive. Pati yung turn signal sounds relaxing.
It's like saying, turn left.
The sport brakes don't feel bad. Di wala siya sharp, oh. I can still balance my feet on it. Bukod kaya sa maps, no? Ano kaya pwede pa ilagay dito sa gauges niya? I'm so curious.
We'll know in the production models hopefully soon.
Oo nga eh. Kasi if you can bring like yung power consumption and stuff dito, that'd be helpful.
Uh-huh. It's a pretty responsive infotainment then actually.
For the price, oh.
Yeah, this like really good. Like, look how smooth to.
Yun nga lang talaga, I can't believe andito lang pala yung mga quick settings.
Yeah. But I noticed that when you put home, it doesn't like, example, right? When you do that,
Oh,
it doesn't go away. It did it earlier.
I did when I flicked the turn signals. Motor.
Yeah.
Try natin power save.
Look how far,
Wait,
how much pushback it will go. Diba?
I was on the same throttle position kanina when I switched it to
Yeah,
power
and
save.
then-
Bumagal. Size kinda delayed. Pero there's still some, I don't know, there's still some kick. Parang lumalakas yung region niya in power save.
You think that's the highest na, no? That's why it only says medium for the normal, no?
Baka power save is
Yeah.
the max region. Yeah, tingnan natin when we slow down here. Is it one pedal o hindi?
Yeah, it's one pedal. Nearly one.
Nearly one pedal. It's just gonna... Ah, hindi, it creeps. You still need to hit the brakes.
So it's like 1.5 pedal.
In a sense, oo. Ano, in this price bracket ba, meron bang may one pedal? Bukod sa Leaf.
Oh, not really.
Atto 3 doesn't have it. I think the
No,
EX5
no.
doesn't even have it as well. Pareho silang mga strong region but with creep.
The seats are so good, I wanna sleep.
It's so soft!
It's cold, gives me a nice massage.
Even I get a massage. It feels good. Pasok ba? Are we gonna
Yep,
hit the
yeah.
curb?
You're good, you're good.
Nice. Oh, speaking of, it's one of its rivals right there, oh. Well, the plug-in version, that is. Okay, now we're in low speed. Nagets ko na yung sinasabi mo kanina, the sport brakes on these things are sharp. Sumusubsob ka ng konti when you just, hit it so gently, oh.
That's why I always leave it comfort no matter what.
Yeah, you need like feet like Doctor Strange's hands to be smooth dito.
Like this.
Oh, yun dapat ganun lang eh. Yeah, balik ko na nga yung ano.
Wala.
Where are you? Ito, brake response.
There you go.
Standard, there we go. Ayun, finally, smoother brakes. Yes, there we go. Very nice.
Makakamiss mag-slalo.
Saya pa naman yan. Seat massage, close.
Kahit ako.
Oh, kuya, baka antukin ka rin eh. Drive modes. Okay, lagay natin sa sport. Steering feel is already in sport kanina and I think okay na to.
Brakes is standard.
Oh, kanina ang sharp nga
Oh,
talaga
sharp.
nung brakes.
Okay, go.
Okay. My turn. Okay, yung usual na suspension ng Chinese nandito eh, yung soft and relaxing eh. But does that mean na na magiging bangka din siya sa handling? Well, nandito na tayo sa start line. Tignan natin. Let's go.
Go.
Okay, power delivery, ganun talaga. Ano talaga siya? Oh, the steering feel I like. It's heavy with good feel, so it's enough to inspire confidence in pushing. Nice. And yun, yung suspension niya being soft.
Soft.
Nice. Okay, okay. Color me impressed, GAC.
Ikot.
Ikot dito. And then, pasok agad. Then reverse. We barely missed the other cone. Okay. And we're in the clear. May konting wheel spin pero at least kontrolado niya eh. Oh.
Siya.
Doesn't feel like the car's about to
Hindi
launch.
siya nag-slip,
Yes.
diba?
Maganda yung traction control calibration if that's the case. Grabe kanina, I like the steering so much.
Yung diba?
Yeah, maganda yung heft. Kaya it's enough to parang inaano kanya, ini-encourage kanya to push.
Yes. Tsaka, yun ang maganda din, another thing for EVs. Instant torque, instant power.
Oh, yes.
Diba?
Pero at least ito, instant siya but not enough that you'd be spinning wheels endlessly.
Diba?
Maganda yung pag-deliver niya ng power.
So, doon naman pumasok yung sa gear niya, yung reducer gear niya. Ang galing mag-compensate. Kasi, minsan, di ba, kapag ibang reducer gear yan,
Oh.
ano na yan, sabog na yan.
Oh, they're sending the CRV.
Yung HEV.
All-wheel drive kasi. Sige. Okay, Ion V. Well, wala talaga sa plano ko to test, pero yun nga, sabi ni Fred to try it. And color me impressed. Unexpected to. I like it.
Ayun, he's enjoying his halo-halo.
O ano?